Click on the subscribe button and turn the notifications on so you will never miss any update from my channel. Hello friends, today I watched a video of Dinimin and he said that how to legally remove watermark from how to legally remove Kinemaster watermark for free. Is that possible? So let's check it what he said. He said that if you export a video directly from Kinemaster to YouTube, so it will not be a watermark there. So this is a genuine watermark I installed from Play Store. As you can see, there is a Kinemaster. So when you will open it, you have to allow all the things. So I will click on remind me later. Okay, so click on this plus icon. So there I will import a media. So I will import a picture of my friend. So as you can see, I had imported the picture, and now I will input the audio. From there I have to click on this SS store, and the second last option there will be this one, the second last option of music. I'm sorry, this one. There will the option of music. Click on that, and there will three options: music, sound effects, and music. So we had to click on music. So I will click on the music, and there will so many music without non-copyright songs. I will download any of them, and when you will second last one, music, and I had to download any one of them. So I will download this one. One song is downloading, so I had to wait to again click on SS store, music, and then any one of the sound. Click on this download button, and as you can see, it is downloading. You had just to wait for its downloading. See, there you can see the red area is already covered, so black one is left. When it will all red, then it will be ready to use. So let's wait. As you can see, there are two music downloading. So you can download so many musics from there. Fun Pop, Under the Stars, Evolving Story. This one is for making movies, and Funnier Than Thou, Next Level, and too many songs. Final Second, this one is also for fighting movies. Kara Kara. So one music has been downloaded. So from there I will click on audio, music assist, and then from the music I download. There are too many options that only drums. There you can play drum and bass, full, no, finger picking, and so many options are there. So I will select the full option. It means all the option: drum, bass, finger picking, piano, all the things. I will click on the plus icon on the left side. As you can hear, sorry you cannot hear, I had stopped the volume of the video. So there you can see I had added the video. I added the music in the picture, in my picture. The music you are hearing is also music video, and I had edited this video from Kinemaster. So I had done the same process. You can see there is no watermark coming or no watermark showing to you. So I will trim to the right of playhead. The music is extra. So extra music has been deleted. So when I had done, I will click on this share icon on the left side of the screen. So when I will click on that, this screen will open. I will select 360p for the highest resolution you have. You had to click on that, and from frame rate I will click 24, means cinema, and this thing you had to high high bitrate, high quality. So now I will do it low because so video will so okay. So I will click on this agree and continue. You can see that you can read it by pausing the video. Okay, I will show you how. So I will read it for you. Thank you for using music in your video. Videos using the music are for personal, non-commercial use only. You cannot monetize this video. So as you can see, you cannot monetize this video. By continuing, you understand that music may monetize this video, sound recording and underlying composition. And you are agree to the term of music license agreement. Then they said that you will not be charged any additional fees. They will not take any money from you for removing the watermark. So I will click on agree and continue. There will two options, rupees 481 for monthly package and rupees 3845 for I think for year or for lifetime. I think lifetime. So I will click on this no thanks, save it Watermark, because we do not have any money to pay this app. So here you can see it is exporting very fast because I had low bitrate, low quality. So this is exporting very fast. As you can see, this video has been exported, and on the top right corner you can see this video has been exported there. The video has also exported on your mobile phone, so from there you can play and from there you can delete the video. But we will click on this share icon, so because we want to remove the watermark. So from there I will upload directly to the YouTube. So we will click on the YouTube icon, and then they will tell you again the music license and agreement. So you will again click on this agree and continue. As you can see there, now watermark is removing. This is a legal way to remove watermark. I'm very happy. So let's see, will it remove watermark or not? What? Okay, so it automatically opens the YouTube page. From there you can input any title. This is my friend, so I will input his name, Jimmy Neutron. So you had to put any of title or description there to your YouTube video. This is just a test, so that's why I am writing his name or his description name. So you had to keep the privacy to the private. So as you can see there, you can upload there, you can select that which channel do you want to upload. I have selected technical APK and the video is private, so I will click on this blue arrow. So now you can see the video is uploading 0%, 40%. Friend, why do you not watch my this one video? I'm so sad. I uploaded this video 17 hours ago and there are only 26 views. I am so sad. Why do you not watch my this video? Now you go and watch this video. After watching this one, see your own photo on wall using PixArt. It's a very easy way. So you can see, oh, the video has already uploaded. I will refresh it and you can see no views because I had privated this video. So as you can see, there is no watermark coming up there. See, because I had used music video and directly shared that video from Kinemaster to YouTube. So this is a simple way. If you didn't understand, I will tell you one time again at the last. So now I will, so if you want to public this video, sorry, it's not, I will close the Kinemaster. If you want to do it public, you can, or change custom thumbnail, you can do it from, first let me show you. I watched a video of D Nimin. He said that watermark will not there, and he said right, the watermark is actually not coming. This is, so I think this is a legal way to remove watermark. So let me close this YouTube. So friend, you can see, if you want to change the thumbnail or the video, or to change the privacy to the public, you can use, sorry, so you can use YouTube Creator Studio app. It can be downloaded from Play Store for free. So friends, you had just to install the Kinemaster from Play Store. From there you had to agree all the things he said, and then from there you had to import your media and download any music from SS Store. So you had to export from there and directly share the video to YouTube. As you can see from there, you can see one views, and that my views, like I had watched that video. So from there I will click on pencil icon, and there I can edit thumbnail from there and change the privacy to the public. And then if you change this privacy to the public, then you have to click on the save icon. So you can see the video has been public. So I will again do it private because it's useless video. So the video you are watching is also edited with Kinemaster for free, and there is no watermark. So let me show you, bye bye.